So at PechaKucha, we are jumping from topic to topic. And I guess all of you are somehow foodies. If not, you'll be after this. So we'll be talking about something which is happening in this city. Julien Jacquet. Any one of you has heard about PermaFungi? Yes, some? Mr. PermaFungi, Julien Jacquet. So Julien is going to share something which he's very passionate about. It's happening in this city. You'll discover some of the hidden treasure of Brussels. And Julien has got 400 seconds for that.
Okay,
Ready to shoot?
Yes.
Yep, on y va.
Okay. In the nature, there is no waste. What is a waste for a species is a resource for another. Based on this example, PermaFungi has developed 3 activities: eat, grow, and learn. Eat, producing food in circular economy. Grow, give the possibility to people to grow mushrooms at home. And learn, on our 3rd activity, is informing people about our activity to give trainings to citizens. So let's go to our first activity, it's eat. We use coffee ground waste to grow mushrooms. The magic of the story is that by growing into the coffee ground waste, the mushroom will transform it into compost. So from a waste, we have 2 products, the mushrooms and the compost. We continue the cycle. With our compost, we have developed our own technique to produce endives. You know endive, it's this typical product from Belgium. I don't know if you know that has even been created in Belgium. So we have one product more. So if I summarize, we have the waste, the coffee ground waste. It's a huge waste, 15,000 tons in Brussels each year. We produce mushrooms. We have the compost. We produce the endives from the compost. We have a new compost that we can give into a farm. But that's not finished. We try to add some steps into this cycle. So our last idea is to produce tartinade or tapenade from the feet, the stem of the mushroom that we don't use, with a small entrepreneur here in Brussels. And we also produce soup from mushrooms that are not eaten. And our next ambitious stages is to create a new biodegradable material from our own compost. You can see our first prototypes of luminaire that we have created here. So this new material is not only for luminaire, not only for lamp. It has application in design, in isolation, in packaging. And, you know, after mushrooms and after endives, it's our first product that has a high potential added value in our cycle. So it's a very next good move for us. Let's go to our second activity, grow. After eat, let's go to grow. And grow, the first activity in grow is to sell kits that enable people to grow mushroom at home. Because today, most of the mushrooms that are eaten in Belgium are not produced in Belgium. They come from Romania or other countries. And because more and more people come to us to ask us if we could recycle their own coffee waste, we create the Fungi Pop that enable every of you to recycle your waste in your kitchen and to produce mushrooms, to do a mini PermaFungi in your kitchen. Finally, our 3rd activity is learn. PermaFungi is totally open source. So we create training for people who want to duplicate our system in their city to create a small entrepreneur everywhere. And we also organize small training for citizens that want to learn more about agriculture. But now our mission is to show that the 4 P's of sustainable development, people, planet, prosperity, and participatory governance, are able to live in the same company and even reinforce each other. So this 4th P, the first is planet, how we can improve the planet. it's by minimizing fossil energy sources. So we use a bike. Every day we run by bike 1 hour with 100 kilogram of coffee ground waste into the bike from restaurant to restaurant. It's the first example. Another example is that we are in basement. Of course, basement we have not to build a wall. Everything is inside. So for the environment, it's very good to have a factory where we create nothing. All our machines are recycled. So that's 2 examples for planet. I have many other examples, or we can improve our impact of production. But the second piece, people. We are a cooperative with a social mission that is create a local, sustainable, and valorizing job for low-skilled people here in Brussels. Again, the other example of our social impact. Another example is that we produce each month 1 ton of mushrooms, 1.5 tons and dives that are healthy, organic for citizens in Brussels. The third P, after people and planet, is prosperity. Sometimes we hear about profit, but I prefer prosperity. And after after 3 years, we were already profitable. And here you can see that it's our mushroom were transformed by Le Pain Quotidien. That is one of our biggest client in falafel in different product. Here it's other product that we sell in organic market. In Brussels. The last P, people, planet, prosperity. The last P is participatory governance. It's very important for us to create a company where each employee has something to say, has an impact on the change. We are typically an horizontal management. So all problems are resolved by the employee that is the closest from the problem. There is no vertical management. And I will finish with this slide. And just to say that now we have proved in Brussels that social and environmental impact can be good for prosperity, for the profit, with participatory governance. Our vision is to duplicate our model in different cities and to create a decentralized network of mushroom factory. Thank you.